Okay, guys. So Miss Lucy has to do Kumon as well too. So we're gonna do it together, yeah? All right, let's ready to rock and roll. Make sure you have your 2 pencil, your eraser, your timer. All right, I should put it over here. Our name, always remember to write your name, otherwise you're not gonna get any credit on it. Make sure you do the right package. And then 427, okay? All right, so you're gonna hear me say this over and over and over and over again. Make sure you analyze the example, right? Because your bottom number is the same, you can go ahead and add them across. So 7 plus 9 is going to be 16, 16 over 10. We gotta turn this into, so this is the same thing as 10 over 10 plus 6 over 10, okay? Now 10 over 10 is equivalent to 1. This is how you get the 1 here, and then 6 over 10, okay? Now you have an extra step right here, right? So what is this saying? This is saying that 6 over 10, you gotta reduce it. They want you to reduce it. Mathematically, this is the same thing, but they just want us to reduce it because as human, we like things as easy and simple as possible. So we want to reduce it. We don't want to leave it until a high number. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so this is going to be 10 over 6. That's the equivalent of, remember earlier what we did, 10 minus 6 is going to be 4. So now you have left with 4 over 6. Now we're going to reduce this. You can reduce this as 2 and then reduce this here. So you guys know how to do the reduction already, but basically what it is saying is that 4 over 6, you divide this by 2, you're gonna get 2, and you're gonna divide this by 2, 6 divided by 2, if I wrote it like that, it'll be confusing. 2 divided by 2, you're gonna get 2, and 6 divided by 2, you're going to get 3. So that's how you're gonna get the 2 over 3, all right? All right, so let's do this. 10, right? And then 2, and then 1, 1/4. 14 over 8, 1, 6. Because that's 14 minus 8, right? You're gonna have 6 over 8. And this is divisible by 2, so you're gonna have 1, 3 over 4, 12 over 9. It's gonna be 1, 3 over 9. So this is divisible by 3. So you're gonna have 1, 1 over 3. This is gonna be 15, right? 9, 1, and then you're gonna have 6 over 9, 2 over 3. Okay, here it's gonna have 12 over 10, right? Because take a look at that, 12 over 10, and then you're gonna do it as 1, 2 over 10, which is going to be 1, 1 over 5. Okay. Yeah, it looks bad. It's not too bad once you start doing it. Okay, 12 over 9. So what you do is that it gets very overwhelming. So just think of one problem at a time. Okay, don't go too much, and then otherwise it's just going to be like too much. Okay. So just focus on one problem at a time. So you're gonna do 12 minus 9 is 3, 3 over 9, 1, 1 over 3. Okay, 11 over 9, 1 here, 2 over 9. So here you cannot simplify, right? Because 11 minus 9 is going to be 2, 2 over 9. You can't really reduce it anymore. So 12 over 10. I messed up on this one. So technically it's not wrong, but it's not the most efficient because this is divisible by 4. So it should be 1 over 3. There you go. 18 but let's say if you do 1, 2 over 6, you realize you can still reduce this, so you're going to reduce it one more, so it's going to be 1 and then 1 over 3, because that's divisible by 2 here, right? So 2 divided by 2 is going to get 1, 6 divided by 2, you're going to get 3, so your answer should be 1 1/3. Okay, 18 over 13, 1, 5 over 13. Okay, so you gotta check here. You have to check to see if you're able to reduce it. In this case, you can't reduce that, so just move on. Okay, here there's nothing we can do, so we're gonna leave it at that. Okay, all right, 9, 1, 3 over 9, and then 14 over 9. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you always want to check 14 minus 9, you're gonna have 5, and that's gonna be over 9. Now this you cannot reduce, so you leave it alone. Here is going to be 12. One here, it's gonna be 6 over 12. It's gonna be 1 1/2. 9. Wait, yeah, 9 over 13. Nothing we can do. So let's carry on. So if you want to, you can actually do this in your head, and this is what Miss Lucy's gonna mean by 1 in your head. Okay, so you can do 4 over 12, or you already know that 4 over 12 is gonna be 1/3, so you can go straight to, from here you can go straight to 1 1/3 there. Okay, 12. So here you already know, here if you want to reduce your step, you already know that this is 12. 12 over 12 is going to be 1, yeah? And 14, 13. So you can do this, or you can tell that, look, this is going to be 1 and 1 over 13. This is going to be 16 over 14, okay? Which is going to be 1, and you can do 2 over 7, yeah? But if it's like, if you don't want to do the mental math, you want to be just like, go through with the motion, you can. It's just that you're gonna have to write much more steps, right? So then that would be 1 2 over 14, which is the same thing as 1 1 over 7. Okay, so if you can do that in your head, more power to you. Go ahead and do that. 18 over 14 here, 1 again. So here, when you look at it, right, you're gonna see that it's gonna be what, 4 over 14, so it's gonna be 2 over 7. Okay, 11 over 15. And then if you get confused, always box your answer. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So you have 2, here is gonna be 2, leave the whole number. Okay, so 2 over, when you guys do this, a lot of times you guys forget to add or bring over the whole number, so make sure you bring over the whole number first, and then you're gonna add your number here, assuming that your bottom number is the same. Okay, later we're gonna learn how to do it with the different bottom number. And then, and the top number should be smaller than the bottom number, otherwise you gotta convert it over. Okay, and then you gotta reduce. So now you just add and then reduce. That's all you're doing, nothing new. Okay, so bring the whole number over. So you have the 2, this is gonna be the 10 over 6, right? And again, this is the same thing as the saying is 6 plus 6 over 6 plus 4 over 6, right? This is gonna be 4 over 6, okay? And we can reduce the 4 over 6 divided by 2. So then 4 divided by 2 is gonna be 2, 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. So this is your answer. All right, 10 over 8 equals 3, 2 over 8 equals 3 1/4. 3 and then that's going to be 13 over 8, which is 4, 5 over 8. Okay, here there's nothing we can do, so we can't reduce it anymore. 3, 9 over 9, which is 4, and then 4, 15 over 9 is going to be 5, 6 over 9. You can reduce that. And this is divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3. That's why you need to know your multiplication table. 4, 15 over 10 is going to be 4. Oops, it's going to be 5. So you can think of this as 5 and 1/2, right? Or 5 and then 5 over 10, which is 5 and 1/2. 5 and then 12 over 11, 6, 1 over 11. Okay. 2, 12 over 8, 3, 4 over 8, which is 3 and 1/2. 4, 10 over 8, and then you're gonna have 5, 2 over 8, which is 5 and 1/4. 4, 12 over 9, which is gonna be 5, 3 over 9, which is 5 and 1/3. Wait, did they tell us to do this in one step? I think. 3, 10 over 10, which is 4, 3, and then this is going to be 9 over 11, 2, 18 over 13, 3, 5 over 13. All right, just go for it. Don't worry too much about getting things wrong. You just do it. I mean, you aim for accuracy, but don't let it like paralyze you. And then 3, 4, 9 over 9 is equal to 5. And 4 and then 4 over 10. Okay, let's see. All right, let's pick up the pace. 2. And then it's gonna be 1/2 here. Up 1 over 5, 10 over 15. I need to fix my 15 because it doesn't look like a 15 divisible by 5. So 2 over 3. All right, flip and tuck. All right, 13 over 9. Make sure you check to see if there's anything that's divisible by that. Otherwise, carry on. 15, 11, 3, 4, 11. Okay, now my hand's starting to cramp up. 6 over 14. Let's see here. That's 3 and over 7. 4, 13 over 15, 2 over 16, 1 over 8, 10 over 18. It's gonna be 5 over 9. Okay. Yay, last page. 16 over 12, 3, 4 over 12. It's gonna be 3 and 1/3. 15 over 13, 1, 2 over 13. Right? Let me sure. Yep. We did that. 16 over 14, 1, and then let's see here, we got a 2 over 14, which is 1, 1, 7. All right, so this is the 1/3. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is going to be 3. That's how you get 1/3. 1, 6 over 18. Okay, in case you were ever to get stuck, this is going to be 1 and 1/3. You can always just reduce it by 2, and then you keep reducing it, okay? but you're at this level, you should be able to see it. If not, you have to review the last level D. All right, so it is, and Miss Lucy forgot her timer again. It's okay. This is why we write the start and end time. All right, how do we figure out our start and end time? 4:41, so you're gonna take 41, and then you're gonna minus 27, right? So what is that? 14 minutes. Okay, so this package took us 14 minutes. Okay, box it, circle it, and then go ahead and give that to your teacher. Okay, we're done. Now we gotta, well, we're not done. We gotta make sure we have it all correct. Then we'll be done. Huh? Oh, Miss Lucy out.